Rahim. This is Economics MCQ's lecture. This lecture is beneficial for CSIS, PMS, lecturer and subject specialists in economics. It is also helpful in provincial planning services examination. Question number 1. In the 1980s, economists studying the source of growth observed no positive relationship between information and communications technology, investment and productivity. This is known as productivity paradox. Market prices adjusted to consider differences between social cost benefit and private cost benefit calculation are shadow prices. An example of external diseconomies is environmental pollution. Vaccinating people for measles, rubella, polio, and cholera to substantially increase net social benefits by improving the health and productivity of the pollution is an example of external economies. Which of the following is true in least development countries, LDCs? Labor is often underemployed, having a low alternative cost. Which of the following is not true? In 2011, internet user per 1000 people in middle income countries were greater than high income countries. It is not true. It is incorrect. And it is the answer. Lack of absorptive capacity in developing countries result from inadequate government bureaucracy, small size of infrastructure, too few innovative entrepreneurs, unsuitable technology. All are correct. You can see the computer age everywhere, but in the productivity statistic is attributed to which economist? Robert Solow. In the long run, expanding educational and training facilities, transportation and communication, and other infrastructure in lower development countries should increase absorptive capacity. Which of the following is not a nature public monopoly? Mobile phone is not a nature public monopoly. High efficiency wages is the wage rate divided by the productivity of labor. Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and United States are G7 countries. A dual economy is distinguished from other economy by having a traditional agriculture sector and a modern industrial sector. Dual economies are countries with a modern manufacturing sector as well as traditional agriculture sector. Which of the following is not a high income country? Germany, UK, and Canada are high income countries, so Mexico is not a high income country. Clientelism. The following statements are true about informal sector except production is capital intensive. According to Levy's model, the dual economy grows only when the modern sector increases its output share relative to the traditional sector. Which of the following statement is true about low income countries? The average agriculture family produces surplus large enough only to supply small non-agriculture population. तो लो इनकम कंट्रीज़ में एग्रीकल्चर से बहुत कम प्रोडक्शन हासिल होता है, जबकि हाई इनकम कंट्रीज़ में एक एग्रीकल्चर लैंड से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिलता है. 2 or more nuclear families of parents and children is known as extended family. The low income economies generally have the following concept, except a per capita GNP of more than $900. ये इसका आंसर है, क्योंकि लो इनकम इकोनॉमीज़ में डेफिशिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होता है, लो लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी होती है, लो सेविंग होती है, और ये डी नंबर ये इसमें नहीं होता. ये इसका आंसर है.